at how beautiful the rain is.
I know. It is just perfect.
I never want this moment to end.
I think I see a big one coming towards us right now.
Just stay steady and we will lift it together on 3.
This should keep us dry through the night.
I will set up the stove here so we can finally have some tea.
The rain is so peaceful tonight.
It really is. And this fish is perfect.
I am glad we are here together.